Hey, good morning, good morning. It is Sunday. Just doing a little bit of chart review, showing you how to get signals in Bloodhound pretty darn easily. And, this isn't speculation anymore. Trading is not about looking at chart patterns and saying, because of this head and shoulders or this triangle or this or that. No, the algos have taken control, and it's all about volatility, momentum, and volume. So I'm adding volume. I had a conversation with a couple of the guys in the room last week. So enjoyed that conversation and went ahead and found two NinjaTrader indicators that I want to add to my template, make a new template for you guys, for the complete package members, and show you how to get, access to these NinjaTrader indicators. The bottom one is cumulative delta. And that delta is the difference between the bid and the ask. So that's volume on the bid, volume on the ask per bar. So when you're working with delta, it's the order flow cumulative delta bid ask bar. When you go into the settings, just make note that it defaults to the, let me come over here and move this. It defaults to the period type to session. So you want to change that to the bar. And if you want to make it the last 20 bars or the 5 bars or 2 bars, I just leave it on the current bar. And you can access different plots, the open, the high, low, or close. So the difference between the bid and the ask on the close is different than the bid and ask on the high versus the low. Sometimes the difference between the high and the low delta will trump that close delta. So if there's going to be a change in direction, I've noticed that a lot of the times it's going to be on that high or low. So I've learned to put both settings on the chart. So I've got one set to the high and low and one set to the close. Okay. And then I am good to go. And then I've added also the Bollinger momentum in addition to regular momentum to further whittle out these trades, and I'll show you how to do that in just a second. So the first thing that you're looking at is the volume down. This is the new volume up down indicator on NinjaTrader, and as you can see, it's just getting the down volume signals. So the white up volume, we're not getting a signal, we're just getting the down bars because that's what I've chosen as the down volume. And then when I put that together with regular momentum and add those two together, I'll get a combination. I also put some other indicators on it. I've got the super trend indicator and the one slope. So the one slope is my linear regression. So you want to be trading in the direction of that linear regression overall, because that's the current direction that the market is trading in. So you always want to go in the current direction the market's trading in. It's linear, right? It's mathematically. Of course, you're going to get some bars that are going to go up inside of that, but overall, that is the direction. And when price does reverse, it's going to head back to that trend line, right? Just like it did here. So when you put all these together, you're going to get the signals that you want when you want them, right? So this Bollinger Mom got me out of a couple of these signals. So you see you have everything matching together. I've got the delta, the momentum, and the volume all confluencing. So when I have all three levels getting the same signal at the same time, I'm getting a signal on the bar close. But sometimes the Bollinger is not set up on the momentum. So the only way that you really should be trading is when that Bollinger sets up and price is pushing out, right? So if you want a excursion trade, so you can add that Bollinger midband condition, and that will weed out those middle trade areas. These can, or sometimes don't go, but like right here it reversed. It tried to catch a last minute rally down, but you got that big reversal, so it failed. But by and large, just putting these things together in Bloodhound is super simple. To see the reversals in action for those delta reversals, if you like to trade those, that's pretty simple too to set it up, because you can just invert momentum. So that's what I've done right here. I've inverted momentum to get that up signal. And if you want to look for the longs, with the Bollinger momentum, you get your awesome reversal signal, right? These two weren't set up yet. That was your key reversal, and takes you back to the trend filter or the linear regression. Okay, so guys, I'll show you how to get these signals with delta and volume. Okay, for the complete package members. And you other guys with Bloodhound can just figure this out. You don't need me, right? All right, guys, y'all come see us I hope you need me. Come see me in the trade room. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.